Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a business owner looking to get more visibility online, you are in the right place. Today I will going to walk through a step-by-step guide on setting up and optimizing your Google My Business profile. Google My Business profile is important for local business and to help customer find you when they need your service the most. So let's get started. Okay, setting up your Google My Business account. You are setting up your business account. If you don't have one already, business and click manage now. You will need to sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Okay, so next you will enter your business name. Be sure be sure to use your official business name, but don't stuff keywords as Google penalize that. So after that, choose your business category. This step is important because it helps Google show your business to the right people. Choose the category that best fit your business. Okay, so don't worry, you can add secondary category later. So now you will need to add your business location. If you have a physical storefront or office, if you are a service area business like a plumber or cleaning service, you can hide your address and define the area you serve instead. So once that done, enter your contact details like your phone number and website URL. This is most important for customers who want to connect to you directly. So okay, great. It's time to verify your business. Google needs to make sure your business is legit, so they will need your verification postcard in the mail. It usually takes about 5 to arrive. Okay. So okay, after that, once you get the postcard, log back to your GMB account, click verify and enter the code. You receive verification and unlock all the features you need to fully optimize your profile. Okay. So now let's talk optimization. Setting up your GMB profile is just the first step. Here's how to take into the next level and make your business stand out. And then after that, first go to the info section and fill out all the relevant details. Add your business hours, special hours for holidays, and a business description. In your business description, make sure to include what makes your business unique, but keep it natural. No keyword stuffing. Okay. So next up is photos. Add high quality image of your storefront, team, products or services. If you offer something visually like food or home design, this step is critical. Okay, getting review and managing your reputation. Okay, so one of the best way to boost your GMB profile is by getting customers review. Just asking your happy customers to leave you a Google review. It make a big difference. To make it easy, you can share a direct review link with them. Okay. Don't panic if you get a bad review. Respond politely. Okay. Address the issue and show that you are open to resolving customer concern. So lastly, using Google My Business Post Insight. Okay, so one of the cool features of GMB is the ability to create posts. These are like mini social media update that appear directly in your business listing. You can use them to promote social offers, new products, even or updates. Okay, so lastly, keep an eye on your GMB Insight. It's okay. This is most important. This section shows you how people find your listing, what action they take. Okay, so like clicking your website or requesting direction, and what search terms they use to find your business. So use data to improve your profile and make informed decision. Okay. It completely a step by step guide to setting up and optimizing your Google My Business profile. Remember, and optimize GMB profile is one of the most powerful tools. You have to boost your local SEO and get more traffic, more organic customer from Google. Okay. If you need any help to optimize your Google My Business profile, no problem. Just contact me. And thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Okay. Bye.